Alright, what I have is a Netgear CM600 modem. I don't pay for my cable modem to rent. I actually own my cable modem. So if you have a cable modem, you usually pay $10 a month. Now here in San Antonio, we don't pay. It's actually included in our bill, but you are paying for it. So what I did was I actually went out and bought my own cable modem. Now make sure when you do buy a cable modem, it is compatible with Time Warner, because they're going to use any excuse to keep you from using your own. They're going to want to charge you and let you use their cable modem. So make sure it's compatible. If it is compatible, make sure it's a high enough speed to give you the speeds that you want. If you want 1 megabyte download or faster and you buy a cable modem that is not capable of 1 megabyte or faster, you're not going to get it, even though you're paying for it. So make sure you get one that's fast enough. The one that I have is the CM600. It's capable of 960 megabits per second download speed. So it's capable of giving me what I want. I don't think I even have a 1 gig. I think I have a little bit less than 1 gig speed. And it's capable of giving me the speeds that I want. But you need to have your own in order to not pay for theirs. Now, since I'm a cord cutter, what I did was I actually cut off my cable television subscription. I don't have DirecTV or anything like that. What I use is the system that I had already built, the NAS system, or the home system that runs on Plex. If you've seen some of my old videos, you'll know what I did. I have the HD home runs. I have 2 units, which is 6 tuners in total, so I can record lots of stuff from free television. I have an antenna up there in my attic, and it is hooked up to the network system via those HD home run units. And because of that, I can access HD home run from any computer or any stick or Roku or whatever I have in the house, and every single television in my house has that, and I can access it from my computer as well. So virtually, after you purchased all your equipment, you don't have to pay for any kind of service at all, and you have a DVR at your disposal, which will record as much as you want it to record and store it as long as you need it to be stored. So pretty much I have an unlimited DVR at my disposal. I have, I think in my DVR right now, I have 4 terabyte, and then of course the operating system runs on a 512 SSD, which is really fast. It's not a regular hard drive. It's a solid state disk, which is kind of like your CM disk or SD that you stick into your cell phones, things like that. So the operating system boots up really fast and runs really fast and really smooth. The storage is actually just hard drives, really large hard drives. So if you want to get away from cable and you don't even want to pay for the cable modem, which I stopped doing, buy yourself your own cable modem. And let me show you a picture of it. It's gonna be right here. This is the one that I own, and I have it hooked up. You have to call the cable system and give them the MAC address of the cable modem so they can put it on the system. And they want to give you crap about it because obviously they don't want you to ban them from, being able to charge you a monthly fee. But eventually you'll be able to get them to say, yes, I'll go ahead and put it on. You might get a hold of a really nice operator who says, yes, go ahead and let's get this done. They'll put it on your system and you control it. Now, of course, if it breaks or gives out in any way, you're going to be without cable until you order another one from Amazon or run down to Best Buy and get overcharged for a cable modem. But if you want to get rid of their stuff, buy your own. That's what I did. It saved me about $120 a year. That's not a lot, but if you do little things in little increments that save you $20 a month, $10 a month, $5 a month, whatever the case may be, you're going to wind up saving thousands of dollars a year on stuff. And remember, my video series is all about saving you money, little increments at a time, and trying to help you out with tips and tricks so I can also save you money. So if you found value in anything that I've told you today, give me that thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and click that little bell to be notified of any future videos that I make. Until next time, if I can save you some money, I will save you some money.